We are having to quickly plan and prep because we got a surprise birthday that we're going to this evening. So yeah, come along and let's surprise someone, eh? Let's go. We've lost our car. Bev misplaced the car. This, holy moly, yeah, it really does. And we're on this level of we don't know where. Sylvia Park is so big with so many levels. Alright, well we're gonna go try another car park. We've found our car. Located the car-ish. Hey Bev. Yeah, we found it. Here we are. We are here. So shapeless. That only took us forever. Cool. Happy birthday, Tinga. Surprise! Surprise! I hope you enjoy it, man. You deserve it, huh? Here for the Tinga effect. You even brought your favourite Tim in the world. My husband. Tim.
Check out my foot.
Ah, yeah. That's the way, yeah.
Much love, sis.
Yeah, see you in the future. Eh? Let's go. Here we are. We're down at the marina, as you can tell. Behind me, spinnies around. Look at this. Very nice. Here we go. Here we go. You ready to see something? Yeah, she's here. So come and see Surprise. She's just walking in. I just thought, Jesus, is that your almost smell? This guy. Look, Tinga, that's your present.
I just want to go wildfire and eat. Where are we going? Oh,
happy birthday, dear Tinga. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Tinga. What a wonderful surprise for you, eh?
And we're not gonna fall off. I won't push him. I promise. We made it on a burn. Tim's gonna dancing. Tim nearly lost his phone out the thing. Tim nearly lost his phone out the old water thing. It's the old. Can you see that? I don't know. Can't see it.
Yeah, you had a harbour bridge.
Oh, that's the old harbour bridge over there. Easy peasy stuff. Tim's drunk.
You're the DJ, man.
Max coming round. It's gonna be rude if you're eating. It's just a bit odd. I just thought, Jesus. Well, I thought I'd film it well before 20 people touch it, and then it's like looks like rubbish, and then I won't want to. Hey, look at this weather too. Look at that, very nice. Beautiful. Yeah. I don't want to be rude. I'm just filming it while it'll still look nice. Otherwise,
Should have filmed it at the beginning.
yeah, I was just telling them on that one. I was like, I don't want to film it after 10 people have decided to eat it. I don't want to like make up rules. You don't be that guy. I feel like there's got to be a rule here. I'm filming this, Tim. That means we know your habits. Look at everybody does. Okay. the video. I don't know why. This is
Happy birthday!
On behalf of Tim, never mind.
Stay center, stay Can you just hold it?
Ting is over there. Oh, wait, let me just try it. Ting is over there, enjoying her show. And here's the show over here. Very nice. Nice sunset. Everybody's here. Very nice. There we go. That's everyone. Hey! What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing with me?
Thank you so much.
No, I'm good. Thank you. Thank you. Tim's. We've got Ting as VIPs. Her husband, her son, and her Tim. Like and a niece, and a daughter, and let's just not forget a Tim, because that's oh, very nice.
I have a confession.
Just the guy in the blue.
Just that, yeah. What the hell's happening with this guy? Oh.
International students.
Dancing is international students. Daniel, did you know you've got another child?
He's my man, baby.
That's my man, baby.
Very cool thing, a very cool thing.
Okay. Alright.
So here we come to time, special time. Before we sing and blaze out the candles, and thank everyone for coming out. You know, all the followers and fans that she has, and we've selected a few.
Yep.
Made it. So thanks for coming.
Thank you.
We'll just let Tinga say a few words.
Everybody's
You
chilling
better.
But
over
for
here.
all of us, you know, I want to thank you for being a friend, being
Thank
a supportive
yous.
auntie,
Cousin.
mom, and definitely a great wife. So.
Yay.
Oh,
Who's that great watcher?
And what about, who's that one, Dan? There's a Jerry.
Thank you very much, everyone, for being here on this special day. I have to say, I had no idea. I was adamant we were going to Wildfire, and that was it. Just going to have dinner, and we're out here. Langston goes, Mum, you got to wear white, all white. And so I thought, get lost. It's my birthday. Who doesn't know what? So I went half white. And yeah, to be here today to celebrate 50. Now let me say something. In Stanwell Bay on Friday, I had a few of the staff come running and go, oh my gosh, are you going to be 50? I was like, not really.
Yeah.
So anyway, at the end of the day, I just want to say thank you. Every one of you, you can't hear me? Hello? 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 Hello?
Tell them to open their ears.
Every one of you that are here is because you've been a part of our lives in one way or another. I want to say thank you to the family that have cooked and
Yes.
the family that
Hello.
have made the cake and to all of you just being here today. Thank you for being a part of my very special day, and thanks Dan for saying that I'm a great wife.
Yay! Yeah. Happy birthday, dear Tinga. Happy birthday to you.
And many more.
50 bucks.
50.
we've got 2 girls
Yay!
and 1 boy, and so was it 1996? 1996, I turned 25. The doctor goes, would you like to have your baby today? And I said no. I turned quarter of a century, so he can have his own birthday. So Lanson turns 26
Nice!
on Tuesday.
Oh, very nice, man. Very nice.
Excuse me, are you
Oh, my heck!
Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lanson. Happy birthday to you. Hooray! 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 More.
Spit on it, spit on it, spit on it.
Spit it again, not.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Yay.
Anything else, Daniel? Enjoy the rest of your evening.
Yay. Oh, very nice. Look at this. Very nice. Wow. Very nice on camera. This place looks very nice on camera. Sunset behind all the other cool ones. Yeah.
Probably the only person I know that's probably been putting up in the last 50 years.
Oh, she's so grown up though.
Hey.
Hey team, wish you a happy 50th birthday.
Thanks for bringing the love to our family. Best meals at all our family functions. And for remembering to bring every single utensil in the house for each activity. Very, very smart. Happy birthday, and we love you. Awesome party.
Happy birthday, love you team.
Oh, this is Joshy, my son-in-law.
Bye.
Oh, sweetie.
Any more to come? We'll know you for
Sometimes teenager. Sometimes a teenager.
have fun and congrats on making it this far in life and all that you've done, not just for yourself but for your kids. And yeah, let's go.
It's over there chilling. Everybody's watching.
Happy 50th.
This is Gemma's partner, Ronnie. Emma. Oh, Catherine.
Happy 70th.
It's a mistake. It's a joke. It's a joke.
Your friend continue going through and do all these things to work with all these people. I would say nothing but these 54 years absolutely celebrating the 100th birthday. I hope you have a great day today. I have these stories about all those times.
Oh wow, who's that?
That's my little brother.
Enjoy your volunteer times. This is the time to make mistakes, jump, take that risk. You've always been someone who doesn't listen to anybody else's opinion because continue to do that. For you to carry through life, the first one is from your grandfather. Never forget those names. And the second one is from the infamous Biggie Smalls. Damn right I think about that man because I'm a negative
That's us, that's a wrap. Everybody's gone and gone. No problem. Thank you for having us, Tinga.
Much appreciated.
And thank you for... Yeah, it's really weird. They got that strange weird 5-0 on the kick. What a weird... You know...
50 to 60. And it's 70.
And then, yeah, let's talk to them, eh? That's embarrassing, gosh. Here's the downstairs. I don't know if you've ever saw it. Very cool. We're done for the night. We're all packing up. Everybody's walking up. Here's the exit over there. And we're just out. Oh, and here's Dan. Dan, thank you. You're a lucky lady. I love this, man. I really do, Dan. Thank you so much. I was just talking to her. She's blown away. We're all blown away. Thank you for the evening.
She deserves it, man.
She does it. She does.
She
See,
helps
Tinga,
everybody.
he's a really good man.
Zumba
now.
for life.
Yeah. Man. Oh, I'm gonna get this out. There's the packer. Everyone's just packing into their cars. There's the boat there, that one.
Tell them about the mermaid we saw.
And the mermaid.
I tried, that's mine.
I think only Tim saw a mermaid. I don't know where there was a mermaid. But
Mermaid man.
alright, it's I think it's about after 9. Bev's still acting like it's a photo. But yeah, it's after 9. I think that's us. Happy birthday again, Tinga.
Happy birthday, Tinga.
Yeah, for everything and
Happy
just
birthday.
you deserve it.
Fire.
Thank you to your family, Dan and the kids and all your beautiful family
Yes,
that had us
Lance and
along.
Nisha, thank you for the
Very,
invite.
very awesome. Yeah, I felt like it was Toa Samoa meets the Rarotongans,
Niueans.
but Raro's got nothing cool to talk about yet. But that's okay.
You're
but yeah.
winners.
Yeah, we're all
Yeah,
winners,
at the end of the day.
according
Happy
to
birthday,
Tim.
Tinga.
At the end of the day, happy birthday,
Happy
Tinga.
birthday,
That's
Tinga.
us. Thank you for your birthday, and thank you.
Here's to
We'll
50
see you at
more.
your 50 more.
5, 5, 5,
There it
5,
is.
5.
See you at the
10.
60th. Eh? That's Malamato. That's Waikiki.
Wakiki Tutami.
Hey, Maiva James Maiva.
Chima.
And this is
There's
Tinga's
my husband
birthday.
Peter.
And James of our lives.
Let's go.